If waking up to a very loud alarm clock makes you start your day with a panic, you're not alone. But luckily, there's a better way to start waking up each and every morning with sunrise alarm clocks. Sunrise alarm clocks mimic the natural sunrise by gradually filling your room with soft, warm light that helps your body wake up gently instead of shocking you awake. Many also double as sound machines, night lights, or sleeping aids so they can support both your bedtime and your morning routine. I tested several of the most popular sunrise alarm clocks on the market, and today I'm going to be sharing my top picks. And as always, all of these links are in the description down below, so be sure to check those out. All right, let's get started. First up, and probably the most popular and my favorite on this list, we have the Hatch Restore 3. This isn't just an alarm clock, it's a complete sleep system. The Hatch Restore pairs gentle sunrise lighting with soothing soundscapes to help you both fall asleep and wake up naturally. Through the Hatch app, you can customize your bedtime routine, then transition into a warm sunrise paired with birds chirping in the morning and more. The light itself transitions through soft oranges and yellows that mimic a real sunrise, which can help regulate your circadian rhythm and reduce that groggy, half-awake feeling. Design-wise, it's sleek and minimal, and the curved fabric front fits into easily with most decor, and the soft glow adds a cozy touch to your nightstand. It also has a tap to snooze feature and doubles as a white noise machine. The one thing I will note is that some premium features only come with the Hatch Sleep membership, and I have it, it's totally worth it. You can grab the Hatch Restore 3 for around $170 on Amazon. Next up, we have the Lumie Glow 150. The Glow 150 offers a simple but very effective setup. It uses a gradual sunrise that transitions from soft red and amber tones into bright white light, helping your body naturally produce cortisol to wake you up. It also includes a matching sunset simulation for winding down at night. The light slowly dims as you get ready for bed, helping your melatonin production kick in. There are 9 natural wake up and sleep sounds to choose from, including ocean waves, birdsong, rainfall, and gentle chimes. You can adjust both brightness and sound levels to fit your space, and I love that the controls are easy to use. There's no app, no Wi-Fi, just straightforward buttons right on the clock. It's a great pick if you just want a plug-in and play option, but still want those premium features. On Amazon, the Lumie Glow 150 usually costs around $140. If you're looking for something super affordable but still has some features, then check out the Reacher Sunrise Alarm Clock. This clock combines color-changing light with practical alarms. You can choose from 7 different color options and different brightness levels, letting you customize your sunrise exactly how you like it. The sunrise simulation starts about 30 minutes before your set wake-up time and gradually brightens from a deep red to bright white, helping your body wake up more gently. You can pair the light with one of 12 plus sounds like ocean waves or birds, pink or white noise, or just use the built-in radio. It's super simple to use with no app and no subscription. You can find the Reacher Sunrise Alarm Clock for around $40 on Amazon, and it's one of the best values on this list. Next up, we've got the Philips SmartSleep Wake Up Light. This one's been clinically tested and proven to help users wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. It simulates a natural sunrise that transitions through deep red, warm orange, and bright yellow, all over 30 minutes, helping your body ease out of sleep instead of jolting awake. The SmartSleep also includes 5 natural wake-up sounds, such as gentle birds or soft piano, and an FM radio if you prefer music. The brightness is adjustable, and you can even use it as a reading light or bedside lamp. It also offers a sunset mode that helps you wind down in the evening. The light gradually fades while calming sounds play, mimicking the natural progression of dusk. It's definitely one of the more premium options on this list, similar to the Hatch. The Philips SmartSleep typically costs around $150 on Amazon. And finally, we've got the Jall Sunrise Alarm Clock, which is the most affordable option on this list. This clock features a minimalist bubble-shaped design. The light starts 30 minutes before your alarm and gradually brightens through red, orange, and white, and it's a subtle, natural transition that feels calm and realistic. You can choose from 7 natural wake-up sounds, including piano, ocean waves, and birdsong. It also works as ambient light or nightlight with 7 color options and adjustable brightnesses. There are dual alarms for weekdays and weekends, plus an FM radio option. While it doesn't connect to an app, the interface is simple and intuitive. and it includes touch controls for snooze and light adjustments. I'm gonna be honest, it's not one of my favorite on this list, but it does the job and it's super effective. You can find the Jall sunrise alarm clock for around $30 on Amazon, and it's easily one of the best affordable picks overall. If you're planning on picking a sunrise alarm clock from this list, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye!